Now even big billion days discounts can be discounted. We all know that big billion days have crazy discounts, but with super coins you can get up to 90% off on over 20 lakh products. And if you don't know what a super coin is, let me help you out. Whenever you buy something from Flipkart, you earn super coins, and if you're a Flipkart Plus member, you earn 2x super coins. And the best part is that you can redeem these super coins outside the platform. मतलब फ्लिपकार्ट से अर्न किए हुए सुपर कॉइन्स को आप फ्लिपकार्ट से बाहर जैसे myntra, cleartrip में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. And let me give you some super hacks to earn super coins without shopping. You can shop for products with bonus super coins on Flipkart. You can participate in Flipkart challenges to earn super coins. You can play games on Flipkart and win super coins. अच्छा, जानना चाहते हो क्या क्या डिस्काउंट मिलेगा? So I've curated a list of exciting super coin offers for you. Electronics, fashion and daily products at just ₹1. Up to 90% off using super coins. Top super coin gamers get free flight tickets on cleartrip. Up to 15,000 off using Flipkart coupons and flat 2,000 off using brand vouchers. So use India's own Flipkart to earn super coins and redeem rewards. And share this reel with your friends. थोड़ी इनकी savings करा दो.